What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ken Andrew of Ken Andrew Daily, and today we are going to be taking this sleek members only jacket and customizing it. Now, if you guys don't know what members only is, it's a brand that started in 1975. So your mom or dad or grandma, just depending on your situation, may or may not heard of the brand, but it's really about just expressing yourself. I think that's the general idea of the brand. Stay weird, stay your individual self. And I just want to say a big thank you to the lovely people at Members Only for sponsoring this video with this sleek jacket. As you can see, it's looking really good and really clean. Okay. So if you guys are interested in this jacket and many other jackets like it, be sure to check out the link below, and I'll also link their Instagram. You guys can check it out, follow it. You know the business. So today I really want to work with colors. Now I got this value pack from Amazon. With the color pack, there's pink, there's green, there's blue. And if you guys notice, like, I be only, whites and black is the only colors I've been working with, especially with the Cricut. So I really wanted to try out this value pack and give you guys my honest opinion about it. So if you're like looking for different colors and whatnot, or if you just don't know what colors to buy, this is like the perfect way to kind of explore. And also, it really puts you in a position to challenge yourself. So I'm definitely going to be using, the colors I'm going to be using is this green, this neon green. Is that neon green? Does that look neon green to you? That's one of the greens that I'm going to be using. And then this hot, or I don't know what kind of pink that is. It's not really showing up on camera, but it's a pretty dark pink. I'm going to be using those two colors and creating a design to make this jacket pop. The jacket itself is good. Look, members only, you know what I'm saying? There's members only, but I feel like I have so much black and white. I don't know if you guys feel me on this, but I am so safe. Like, I don't go outside of my boundary. I usually wear black and white. Like, that's all I wear. I wear black and white. It's a safe color, safe colors. It's a safe palette, so you're not looking loud, okay? So let's into the design. So here is my design. So just going top to bottom, today is not enough. And then we have a silhouette of a person running. So the whole concept behind this design is the fact that today is not enough, meaning that you want to keep going. You don't want to stop on this specific day. If you can sew, if you can design, you want to keep it going. And that's why I have the silhouette of the runner, meaning that I'm not stopping. Like, you're on a marathon to your goals, you're on a marathon to do good in life, you're on a marathon to be a good person, or you're on a Netflix marathon and you're trying to finish the series. So whatever you're deciding to do, you want to go strong. You want to go through it. You want to run as fast as you can with efficiency, of course. You don't want to burn yourself out. The idea is, don't stop. I think that today is not the only day you should work. I think you should continue working till you're satisfied. That's the concept of the design, and let's put it on. Alright, so here is Today Is Not Enough onto the backside of the jacket. Now, there's so much room that I can work with. I didn't realize that when I was thinking about the design, so I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I might put a little bit more. Now, it's getting a little bit slanted. I wanted it to not be straight like this. I wanted it to kind of have like a little bit of a slant. And then on the right side, I want to, of course, leave some space for the silhouette. So that is going to be the first two things I'm going to press, and then I'll show you guys what it's going to look like after I put this one, and then I'll show you guys after I put on the silhouette I'll show you guys pretty much the finished product after this. So here is the finished product. This is the back side. I did put CAD X members only. I handwritten it and then I printed it on, or I heat pressed it on. But let me know what you guys think about it. I did want to do a little contrast. I was thinking of putting CAD in pink and then members only in green, but then I wanted to contrast it with the back a little bit. Alright, so that is the video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know what you guys think about the design, okay? I'll be over here looking pretty out there. And I just want to say once again, thank you to members only for sending me this jacket. I actually got a second jacket here, which I'm going to be also customizing. And this time I want a challenge for myself. So give me a design challenge, give me like a challenge like you limit me to specific colors. Let me know. This is what the jacket looks like. It's just light blue. It's like their staple members only jacket. So let me know what would look good on this. Challenge me and put all that down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at KenAndrewDaily for some updates and just pictures of me. Make sure to also subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot more of these. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. But thanks for watching. As always, have a good one. We'll see you next time.